Are the NCERT textbook enough to score 95% and above marks in the CBSE Class 4 board examination? And the stream is physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So this is a question asked by a lot of students who have the science stream. And let me tell you, the NCERT textbook is not enough if you are a science stream student. Why is it's because most of the questions which come in physics, chemistry, and mathematics are not actually based directly from the NCERT textbook. Only 80% of questions come from the NCERT textbook. The remaining 20% of questions are from reference book and other sources. So you have to prepare for the remaining 20% if you want to score good marks. But if you're satisfied with 80% of marks, then NCERT would be sufficient. But a lot of students want to really get good marks in physics, chemistry, and maths. For that, I highly recommend you to practice questions and also learn from other reference books. For example, for physics, you have S.L. Arora, which is a good book. Exam Idea book is also good. For chemistry, you have Exam Idea book, which is very good for all the different reactions and theory, all the different concepts and equations you'll be able to get from this book easily. And also for mathematics, it is R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal. So you can choose, or Exam Idea book. So you can choose any reference book, but also you must solve a lot of questions from these reference books, because most of the questions which contains the remaining 20% of marks are from these reference books and other sources, like the previous year question papers, the sample question papers, and also the higher order thinking skills questions. So if you have prepared only from the NCERT textbook, then you cannot expect full marks. So if you want to get good marks in the CBSE Class 4 board examination, if you want to score 95% and above marks in the PCM stream, then I highly recommend you to not only rely completely on the NCERT textbook, but also solve questions from other reference books and questions from the previous year question papers and also the sample question papers, and give a mock test at home for 3 hours. Sitting at home, give a mock test, then only you'll be able to identify whether this question is directly from the NCERT textbook or from other reference books, because the concept given in all the reference books are the same. And you have to understand, sometimes you will find the concept which is given in the NCERT textbooks difficult, but you should use the NCERT textbooks only for the solved example problems and also the questions which are given at the end of each and every chapter. The exercise questions along with the questions which are given at the end. For example, in mathematics, there are some miscellaneous exercise problems. Those problems are very important because most of the questions given in the board examination are picked up from the miscellaneous exercise problems in Class 4 mathematics. And most of the questions which will be asked will be based on the NCERT textbook only. But if you want to score good marks, then you have to practice a variety of different questions. That's why I recommend you this book, the Arihant chapter-wise, topic-wise answer question booklet. For all the subjects, it is available. You can go to Amazon.com and you can search for that particular booklet. But this booklet will contain all the important questions from a variety of different sources, like the previous year question papers, the sample question papers, and also questions from other reference books, all combined together and put in one place. And you can find these questions in the Arihant chapter-wise, topic-wise question booklet. I highly recommend you, if you're preparing for the board examination seriously, and if you want to get really good marks, that is more than 95% of marks, then you have to prepare not only from your NCERT textbook, but also from other sources, so that you'll be able to get the marks which you deserve.